प्यारी सी लेन है, यहाँ पर सारे डिज़ाइनर वेयर हैं एंड आई रियली लव द क्लोथ्स।
फाइनली हम बोर्ड कर रहे हैं मिलान के लिए। दिल्ली से हो गया इमिग्रेशन। शिवानी ऑल सेट, भैया एक्साइटेड। चलो तो मिलते हैं मिलान से। हमको विंडो सीट मिला नहीं है तो हम सनसेट कैप्चर नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो हियर इज आवर फ्लाइट। So firstly, let us brief you about the flight we took. We flew an Air India flight from Bangalore to Milan with a stop in Delhi, and we gotta say it was a pretty solid experience for the price we paid. We paid 32,000 INR round trip per person with luggage and food included. First off, the food was absolutely delicious. We were treated to some amazing Indian cuisine paired with wine and tasty munchies. Honestly, it was one of the best in-flight meals we have had in a while, especially in terms of the Indian food. The infotainment was okay, not the best, but definitely not a deal breaker. The food really made up for it though. Overall, for the price we paid, it was a very decent price, and considering the sunset we got to see, it was totally worth it.
में क्यू बहुत लंबा था, लेकिन ये काफ़ी जल्दी मिल गए बैग्स हमें, एंड द पीपल वेयर इन इमिग्रेशन वेयर वेरी स्वीट। थम्स अप टू देम।
तो मैंने पैसे विड्रॉ कर लिए। एयरपोर्ट पे ATM मिल गया, तो मैंने ऑनलाइन पढ़ा था कि जहाँ पे भी बैंकोमैट लिखा है वो प्रॉपर बैंक का ATM है। वो जो यूरोनेट वगैरह लिखा होता है वो मत लीजिए। सो फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज़ अ यूरोनेट, दिस इज़ अ स्कैम। इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे चार्ज करते हैं। बैंकोमैट से उठाइए। और मेरे पास नियो का कार्ड था तो मैं कैश लेके ही नहीं आया था। मैंने 500 यूरो उठा लिया। अभी सेम पड़ा है मुझे जितना एक्सचेंज रेट चल रहा है। Bus services from Milan Malpensa Airport to Milan Central Station offer convenient transfers at affordable prices. We booked a ticket with Autostradale services, and the ticket costed us 10 euros per person one way. There are other operators such as TerraVision also, so you can check it online and book your tickets well in advance. You can use Get Your Guide app also to book your tickets. We booked it through their app. मेन डोर पे वहाँ पे लॉक बॉक्स से लॉक लिया, और अब ये हमारा बिल्डिंग है, यहाँ घुस रहे। चलो
हम दिखाएं आपको 3 दिन का आशियाना।
मिलान में ये आशियाना ही है। हाँ, एक सेकंड, खुल गया। लाइट चलो। हमारा बेडरूम, ये है हमारा वॉशरूम, और ये हमारा लिविंग का किचन, जो भी है सब कुछ।
Early the next morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम मिलान। फर्स्ट डे इन मिलान। हम थोड़ा हो गए हैं लेट, बज रहे 8:30। हम सोचा था सुबह सुबह उठ के पहुंच जाएंगे डुओमो, पर ऐसा नहीं हुआ। तो बाहर जाके मैं थोड़ा ग्रॉसरी लेके आया फ़िलहाल के लिए। सैल्मन सैंडविच, मिल्क और चॉकलेट क्रोसो। हम खा रहे हैं ब्रेड विद बटर, न्यूटेला, एंड ऑल्सो हैविंग मैगी, प्रिपेयर्ड सम कॉफ़ी, एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू शिवानी जिसने सब कुछ ये बनाया है। एंड उसके बाद हम घूमने निकलेंगे। ऑल सेट शिवानी, फर्स्ट डे इन मिलान, लेट्स गो आउट।
बहुत नींद आ रही है, बट फिर भी आंखें खोल के जाने की कोशिश की।
तो ये हम एग्ज़िट कर रहे हैं पोर्तो मिलानो में। हम पोर्तो जेनोवा मेट्रो स्टेशन में उतरे, और अब हम जा रहे हैं वॉक करके नवीगली की तरफ, जो कि बहुत फेमस है कैनाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। काफ़ी हिप्स एरिया है।
में बोट राइडिंग करते हुए बच्चे, और वो शायन उनको कवर करते हुए। नेविगली नाम का ये कैनाल है, यहाँ पर बच्चे बोट राइड कर रहे थे सुबह। इट वॉज अ वेरी नाइस नज़ारा, एंड ही इज़ माई नज़ारा। The weather forecast in Milan was cloudy and thunderstorm today, but then the weather is very nice today. It's sunny, and I fingers are crossed.
Visited the Navigli district and then walked straight towards this gate, which is like what you see in Paris, Arc de Triomphe in Paris. It's called Arc de Porto Ticinese. The Arc de Ticinese in Milan is a beautiful historic gate built in the 19th century. This neoclassical arch has a lot of character and sits right near the lively Navigli district. It's a perfect spot to snap some photos and soak in the atmosphere of Milan's mix of history and modern vibes. And here you go, such beautiful trams, and it's a lovely bright day in Milan. People said The weather forecast said thunderstorm, but keeping my fingers crossed, and we are walking towards the Duomo. Such beautiful houses and balconies. Look at the kind of artwork done on the building. So this is Basilica di Saint Eusorgio, and we are walking towards the columns of San Lorenzo. So we have arrived at Column di San Lorenzo, and now we'll walk straight through this gate and see what lies ahead. So our host has told us to walk straight along this line, and all the attractions are on this line. So let's go. Come. These are 15 iconic Roman times marble columns, and it's called Column di San Lorenzo. Just opposite to the columns of San Lorenzo is Basilica di San Lorenzo, and it's a very big church. So let's go inside and check out, but it's a very peaceful area to sit, and it's a large square, as they call it here, piazza. So I'm sure we'll go inside now and check it out, but it's a very beautiful place.
प्यारी सी लेन है, यहाँ पर सारे डिजाइनर वेयर है, and I really love the clothes. We are in Via Torino lane, and it is very beautiful, and you can find trams moving around here in every 1 or half an hour. It's a very beautiful feeling, and I love the infrastructure and the architecture here. In fact, it's very beautiful, very European, because we are in Europe.
ये शॉपिंग करने हमने कुछ नहीं घूमा, पर ये शॉपिंग करने लगी उधर देखो। फ्रेंच कोट ट्राई कर दिया शिवानी।
So now we are in the most famous place in Milan. It's Cathedral Duomo, and it is very massive and beautiful.
Hey guys, so finally we are in the most iconic place of Milan, the Duomo Milan, and right on the other side is the famous shopping mall, which is the Galleria Emanuele. So we will visit both these places, but it's afternoon when we reach. We'll probably hold on till the sunset time, and then we'll go on top of the cathedral.
Galleria Emanuele Mall, and this is one of the oldest mall, and यहाँ पर प्राडा का सबसे पुराना स्टोर है. It's pretty. बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पर भीड़ है.
So we're here at Galleria di Emanuele, which is like the most iconic shopping mall and has the first ever store of Prada. Look how crowded it is. Obviously these brands are beyond my reach, but this is the most important shopping mall and one of the most Instagram places. Shivani, how do you feel?
I want to buy a Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton, okay, sorry, bye. This is the world's first store of Prada, the oldest store of Prada as far as I have read, and look at this. This building is something else. Like, this mall is so beautiful. You can click pictures as long as you want. Take a turn here for good luck. So you see there are so many people going and taking a turn. So Shivani has taken burger from McDonald's out of everything in Italy, in Milan. It's the most beautiful metro station ever. So this is the Duomo metro station.
Going back home.
So we got grocery shopping done. We got basmati rice, oranges, tomatoes, potato, and what else? Milk. Yeah, milk. So 720 rupees approximately. Not very expensive if you shop from the grocery stores.
Hi guys, we are here in Castle Sforzesco. It's a huge space to walk, and it's a beautiful castle here with red rock. So we are going to explore and show you if it is worth it or not.
So next up we reached Castello Sforzesco in Milan, an incredible medieval fortress that once served as the home of the powerful Sforza family. It's not only a stunning piece of history but also houses several museums and art collections inside. The castle's architecture is breathtaking and the surrounding park is a perfect place for a relaxing stroll. If you're in Milan, this place is a must-see for history lovers and anyone looking to experience the city's rich heritage. So the Castle Sforzesco looks like a huge place. Like if you see here, it's surrounded by so that's the entrance from where we entered, and it's like a square, I would say, or like a rectangle, and you see all around like a 360-degree watchtower. You can walk straight through the castle of Sforzesco and you'll head towards Parco Sempione, which is the biggest park of Milan. It's the greenest area in Milan, so if you have time, you can come with your family, have lunch, picnic, and that's it.
We are going to Duomo again, and we are going to climb the stairs this time.
So it's time to leave the Piazza del Castello. We'll take the red line of metro and head towards Duomo because we have a slot booked at 5:30 p.m. to go to the top of the Duomo Cathedral. So let's go there.
We are entering this.
Just look at this, such beautiful, intricate artwork.
बहुत ही मैसिव है ये और इसमें डिटेल्स ओ माय गॉड द डिटेल्स हियर आर सो ब्यूटीफुल
I mean, there are 135 spires in this cathedral, so we'll go on top. So we have bought this ticket for I think 43 euros for 2 people, and that includes access to the terrace.
When I went to Cathedral Duomo inside, it was huge, massive and full of details. The walls, if you can see here, so detailed. I could feel the history just by looking at it. And the frescoes inside are really, really good. And the glasses are painted, which looks so beautiful with the white texture there. And it is so massive. I'm so glad I came here. I think you cannot miss this if you're in Milan. Time to climb the stairs of the cathedral.
कैसा लग रहा है शिवानी? And we are at the top of the cathedral, or as they call it, Duomo here. Look at the spires, so beautiful. How grand this is, like this is unimaginable. Such a beautiful cathedral and a rooftop. So there are 135 such spires. How do you like this place?
So beautiful. एक्सप्लोर कर रही हूँ. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा कौन सा एंगल छोड़ूँ क्योंकि इतने सारे एंगल्स हैं यहाँ पे चेक करने.
It's almost time of sunset and we are on top of Duomo Cathedral. And what you see is Piazza del Duomo. The view from the rooftop of Duomo de Milano at sunset is absolutely stunning. The golden light over the city is magical and you can see the entire Milan skyline stretching out below. The intricate spires of the cathedral add such a dramatic touch to the scene, making it a perfect spot for some unforgettable sunset photos. If you're in Milan, don't miss this experience. It's truly breathtaking. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II Mall at night is a whole vibe. The glass dome and elegant architecture are beautifully lit up, creating such a magical atmosphere. It's not just a place to shop, but a true experience with the stunning lights and the buzz of the city around you. If you're in Milan, the Galleria at night is a must-see, especially for a night stroll or a delicious dinner. And Shwani is taking turns. So this is how the Duomo looks like at night. The crowd has lessened a bit if you see around the piazza area, and it's very, very beautiful, all lit up. Milan is beautiful at night. During the evening, we explored the central business districts on a tram, soaking in the vibrant city vibes. It was a packed day and we managed to cover as much of Milan as we could in just 24 hours. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We'll be back in the next one with a day trip to the famous Lake Como and the stunning Swiss lakeside town of Lugano. Until then, stay safe and keep supporting us. We truly appreciate it.